rowing.
No, no, you're not. Liz is rowing. There's Liz up in the bow.
Oh.
And Matt is doing awesome. Look at him. Feathering both ways. This is like too good.
You didn't give me starboard.
Matt, whoops. It's okay. There's a little crab. Don't worry.
It's not crashing in.
Oh, head up now. Head up. Nice and straight. Looking right down the bend of the boat. Good. Whoop. Stay in rhythm. Find the rhythm with everybody. Good. Yeah.
Good, you need more starboard on.
Way enough. Hands in the belly. At the finish. We're set at the finish.
We're gonna have a
Awesome.
buoy pass by under the port.
There's that buoy. Huh. Who's steering this rig?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're at the finish. We're good. Okay. Ready. Up. Liz will tell us. Liz will tell us. She'll call it when she's ready. Matt, smile. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. She actually here.
All right, everybody.
Okay, everybody. At the finish. Ready, all row. Hands away. Drag the blades on the water now. Keep them down. This is awesome. All right, we're going to do a power 5. We're going to put some pressure on for 5 strokes. You ready, Matt? On this one. Nice big power. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. How'd that feel?